Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Amar, and in this tutorial we will learn SolidWorks part configuration. Before we start, I want to mention a comment, and I have received this comment on my short regarding SolidWorks part configuration. It is posted by Mr. Cadin, and he's saying that maybe slow it down or post an actual video. I cannot even tell what's going on at Mach 20. So basically a configuration in SolidWorks is simply a different version of the same part, and you do not create multiple files, you create multiple variation inside the same file. And we use configuration because they save time, they avoid duplicate files, and they let us change features quickly. And also we can use these configuration inside SolidWorks assemblies. Okay. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I'm using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white. And I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. Okay. So here you can see that it is feature manager design tree, and it is called the configuration manager. So I will go to here configuration manager, and then we will add two more configurations. Let's add one configuration, and that is called center hole. And let's add one more configuration, and that is corner holes. And let's rename this as center hole and corner holes. So first I will start it with this one, center hole, and you can see that the current configuration is this one, center hole. So I will go to here design tree, and then I will select top plane, sketch, and here I will make a center rectangle like this. Let's dimension it. Let's say this one is 150. And this vertical dimension is 100. I will go to here features, extruded boss, and I will make an extrusion mid plane 20 millimeters, and I will select OK. Now I will select this face, this top face, sketch, and here I will make a circle, and let's dimension this. Let's say it is 60, and I will go to here features, extruded cut, and I will cut it through all and select OK. Now I will change my configuration to, let's say, this one, corner holes. I will go to my design tree again. Basically, these configuration work on the principle of suppress or unsuppress. Each configuration remembers which features are suppressed or unsuppressed. Okay. So here I have to unsuppress this one. Okay. Let's make 4 corner holes. I will select this face, sketch, and here I will make one circle like this. Let's make its diameter 20, and let's say this dimension from each wall is 20. Let's make it 20. You can see it is fully defined. Now I will use 2D mirror command. Let's mirror it on this side. Mirror entities to mirror this circle. Mirror about the center line, select OK. Similarly, I will make another center line like this, and I will go to here mirror entities again, and I will mirror these two circles against this center line, and I will select OK. Now I will go to here features, extruded cut, and I will cut it through all, and I will select OK. Now you can see 4 holes. Now I will go to this configuration, center hole and corner holes, double click it, and here you can see nothing, okay, because all features are suppressed by default. Let's go to design tree, and here I have to unsuppress this base, and then this center hole, and then these corner holes. You can see all features are unsuppressed. I will go to configuration manager again, and now I have 3 configurations: center hole with corner holes, and then only corner holes. Let's double click it, and here you can see only center hole. Let's double click this one, corner holes, and here you can see only corner holes. Let's double click this one, center hole and corner holes, and here you can see center hole with corner holes. So these configurations are very useful when let's say you are working in an assembly and you want a same part with slight variation. So this part configuration will really help you there. Okay. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics like engineering drawing, FEA, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.